Hello beautiful people, my name is Moumi. You are watching Moumi Makeover Hub. Welcome back to my channel. We all do know that it is really important to look presentable in a corporate environment. But we still do not want to look over the top so that people give us really judgmental looks. So, how to get that subtle but yet put together look? Wanna know how? Then keep on watching this tutorial. But before that, subscribe to Moumi's Makeover Hub and hit the bell icon to never miss another update. And this is absolutely free. You can also follow me on Instagram. And now, let's get started. Do subscribe guys, it really motivates me a lot to see those subscribers count go up. And now, let's jump into the simple tutorial. And yes, this will only take you 10 minutes of your time in the morning. So if you want to get that extra sleep, then you surely can. So for the first step, after that warm water bath, you want to close all those open pores, and for that you need to use a toner. And for toning, today I'll be using the Good Vibes Cucumber Toner. Since this has a spray nozzle, I will just be spritzing it all over my face and then I'll wipe it off with a cotton ball. We do need that moisturization, also some protection from the sun, but we also want to even out that skin tone. For that, we will be using a complexion correction cream, that is a CC cream, and for today's tutorial, I will be using the Lakme CC cream in the Alovera variant, and my shade is Honey. You just need a pea size of it, dot it all over your face and then blend it out seamlessly. Now to lock all this in place, we need to use a compact powder. This will not only lock it but also mattify your face and not make you look shiny throughout the day. And for that, I am going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Natural Beige, which is my skin color. I'll majorly focus it on my T-zone and then I will dust a little bit of it all over my face. A place you do not want to forget is your eyelids, because they tend to get really oily throughout the day. You definitely do not want to look this flat in your office, and you do need some color on your face, but you also need some glow on your face. So go for a blush which has a little bit of sheen in it, and for that today I'll be using this Wet n Wild Coloricon blush in the shade Apricot in the middle. This has a very beautiful skin-like peachish undertone, and it also has a little bit of sheen in it, which helps you in making your cheeks look blushed up as well as a little glowy. You see what a beautiful structure also it gives your face? I am sure none of us want to look droopy in our office campus, and for that we need to look wide awake, and for that comes mascara to our rescue. Make sure you use a waterproof mascara so that no matter what, it doesn't move from your eyelashes. So today I'll be using the Wet n Wild Megalength waterproof mascara, and I'll just be applying 2 coats of mascara on my upper lashes as well as my bottom lashes. You see how instantly opened up your eyes look? Now let's move on to framing our face. And for that we'll be using an eyebrow pencil, but we're not going to be overlining or underlining, we're just going to fill up the sparse gaps. And for that I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, which also has a brush on it which can help us in distributing the product evenly. So I'm just going to fill my eyebrows, all the sparse gaps in it, and then I'm going to be brushing it with the brush side to spread out the product evenly. You see how instantly that makes your face look framed? Now we are finally going to move on to our lips. Now for that corporate look or for any workplace look, you do not want to go bold at all on your lips. For that we'll be using a very MLBB, that is My Lips but better kind of a shade, which will be a pinkish or a mauvish nude. And for that today I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics lipstick, which is in the shade 06 Peachy Little Liars. It is a beautiful pinky mauvish nude shade, and I really love the subtle tint of color it gives to your lips. And that is the final look. You're totally ready to ace that corporate look now. Thank you for watching today's video. Do like, share as well as subscribe if you liked this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.